Position indication, certainly common to want to know if your damper is open or closed and monitor that position. So the two options really are the OCI, the on-blade indicator there, open-closed indicator, or the actuator auxiliary switches, which will tell you when your actuator reaches the beginning or the end of its cycle. Here's your modulating fire smoke actuator. So yeah, again, it just, if you're really trying to combine a bunch of things into one, right, and then avoid the need for additional controller balancing dampers within a system, maybe there's a way you can integrate that just using the modulating fire smoke actuator there. Few options for test stations. So locally mounted, the momentary test switch, just really a cover on the outside of the junction box of the RRL or the closure device. It's got a little red button on it. Walk up or climb up, I suppose, and push the red button that cuts the power to the actuator. You can listen or watch or check that your damper is closing. When you release the button, it restores the power to the actuator, allows the damper to reopen again. There is also a little button, a black button to the right of the red button in that picture. That's the reset button for the thermostat. So if you happen to have just a spike in heat and that thermostat accidentally trips, or a non-fire event, let's say, and the thermostat trips for some reason, squirrel runs down your duct and kicks your thermostat in, who knows, right? But you do have the ability to reset that. So that's what that kind of black reset button is next to the test button there. Of course, if you don't have a test switch, we'll always have that reset capability on those RRL closure devices. We also have the remote test stations as well on the right there. That's the GTS Greenheck test switch. A few different versions there, key switches, things like that. Those have those indicator lights telling us when the damper is open or closed, so tied into one of those OCI closure devices.